Good morning. This week's parasha is Parashat Chayei Sarah. After Sarah's death, we learn that Abraham buys a Marat Machpelah for 400 shekalim. What was so special about it that Abraham was willing to pay so much money just for a cave? Ephron wasn't even that helpful to Abraham. Abraham weighed out the shekel for Ephron. In the case normally, Ephron would have weighed it out. As Rashi says, Ephron said a lot and did not even do a little. Rabbi Rechumai taught that after Adam was thrown out of Gan Eden, Hashem made a cave, a place near the entrance to Gan Eden where Adam would be buried. Eventually, the cave was forgotten about, and no soul knew about it, until Abraham, who entered the cave, saw it, sniffed it, and sent the scent of Eden. He heard a voice saying, Adam was buried here, and Abraham, Yitzchak, and Yaakov should be buried here as well. He saw a candle burning there and left. From then on, he had his heart set on the special burial plot. Many others attempted to be buried there, but angels guarded the place faithfully. The would-be buriers would see the fire burning and were unable to enter until Abraham entered in body. Abraham saw how special the Marat Machpelah is right when he stepped in to look at it. That's why he weighed the money for Ephron and was willing to pay so much because it was really worth more than 400 shekalim.